after party was 2 tons. Oh Lord, my flash blocking the thing. Jesus.
We gotta get him on the other thing.
How was the after party? How was the after party?
Good. It was great. I got some wonderful dances.
What you learn? Yeah. Hold it, slow. I like that. Look.
I look crazy.
You just get out the party.
Hello. Get it.
Sight. Yeah. I can do the rest of my life. You turn and get it do what?
The charger will fight or no?
Okay, good. It's currently the next day. That was my mother talking to me. It's currently the next day, and I just got from bathing, so therefore I'm not look sleepy. We're going to the beach today. You don't know beach facts. I had something to say. Well, we get to the beach and again, vlog the day at the beach, and we guys see what we're going on this beach. Again, I have a surprise for everybody. I know nobody know this. Who's going to the beach with us is my whole church going to the beach, basically. And I know none of them know this place. They know the beach, but they don't know this place on the beach. I'm so happy they chose this beach because, yeah, I went there and I explored and I found something that I know a lot of people on the mountain don't know. Okay. Let me just say this. I don't know why every time I go in front of the camera, I always feel like I'm supposed to yank. I always yanking once a camera is on me. This is not how I does normally speak. Why don't you speak? I just say talk. You know what I mean? I don't know. I can try to I'm trying to adjust to speaking normal in front of the camera because, people all over the world who can be watching this video, of course, Get me 10K subscribers by December. But I just want everybody to understand me. Some people will be like, oh, you're Yankee, you feel like you're white, man. What? What Yankee gotta do with white? That's just racist, nigga. Let's go, to the beach. Let's get it, let's go. This one question I need to ask. I want to know, because for the wedding last night, I'll get a lot of different feedbacks, right? So you, the people, tell me how does this look? Tell me this is a good, if it's a good, style, If it's good. Tell me how it look in the comments down below. I'm sleeping on the floor. Tell me, this is how I was bust down. So ain't no bust down. But this is how, this is what I had on. The anklet. Now we're getting a lot of different feedbacks from a lot of different people. Some people say it's dope. Some people say you can't wear that. Men don't wear anklets. Or it's anti-man, whatever these things, and then funny ones, Pause. Man's like woman out here. Comments how you think it is and how whatever. Tell me how does it look to you, okay?
It's a vlogging music to the copyright, no copyright, right?
Yeah. Okay then. Right now, we're currently walking down to go meet up everybody else to go to the beach. Look at my hand, I'm sweating, man. The sun is hot. I know to call it. I say Van Zero now. Well, are you famous, man? Don't say who calling me. Okay, good? Yeah, man. Blessed day. Okay, thanks.
You know what I just said this. I just said bless up. I believe God is like a funny person. Check it out, right? The man, Job, God, Satan God has said, what you was doing, Satan said, I was roaming the earth, going back and forth. Yeah. So that means Satan, you see, look how this one is. Satan got walk the earth. God just got sit on his throne.
And he all over.
All over. How the crap that is possible, G. Huh? So that is to show you
how weak he be.
Yeah, that is to show you how weak he be because he have to go there, he have to go there, he have to go there. But really, God just sitting down like that.
You know, I read a story. I never take it like that for real now. You see, walking through and forth and around the earth. God ain't gotta walk. The Holy Spirit all over the same thing.
So that mean like when I sit down and I read it, because I like read that, I check in walking through and I say, and God knows how God do that. And he coming up by God, so I don't want to know like if Satan could still do that. I believe he could still do that because God is say, for example, look at my servant Gary. He working so good and stuff. Satan gonna be like, nah, if I send a Gary way, he gonna go crash. You understand? Just like that.
Yeah.
But sometimes you don't overcome, and sometimes you don't fall. And like how they amazing too. Like when God had say, God had say, look at my servant, Job. He good in everything you do. So after Satan will be like, he negative mind that you can see that long time. He gonna be like, yo, Job ain't like that because you want me to tell you why? If you take away all Job's stuff,
then you can feel.
Then you gonna see.
You can see it's like, oh yeah. Like, and that's how you tell you something. I bet again, yeah, must cost you.
So it's like, even the second time he do it, he's like a little, like a nagging woman.
That's for real. Mama preaching already. I remember how she say, how he get back all this stuff.
Yeah.
He get back more than what he lost.
And you see, at the point when you're feeling low, you just feel like nobody help you. You feel like I am in this alone and stuff like that. But little do you know your blessing and your going.
I went to 2 o'clock. I wake up directly 6:30.
I can get my messages.
We have enough garbage bags?
Yeah, we take a roll. Yeah, I take a whole roll. You say we, me.
Yes, he like to take credit for things that he didn't do.
What's he? I always want to take credit for this.
Flag it.
You don't know how to flag?
What's up, flag?
Judge, we need one with water, one with juice.
Agua.
Yeah. The thing half flip over.
The water?
Flip around. Yeah. Water or juice, that's what we have to do.
Yeah. That's how it is. It's a vlogging camera, Tiara.
Not that way. Okay.
What's up, flag?
Yeah, what's up, flag?
We just doing a 1-1 today.
Our daily flags.
Rock Church Beach, you know what I mean? Just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, and you know we're gonna be doing our thing. Might even play some volleyball. I got my American football, you know, so we're gonna get it done.
You pump it?
Yeah, of course I pump it. Here, if sand could get in here or something like that. It don't matter.
I get in the water.
Are you wetting right here too?
I think I went in it, yeah. I got a surprise for you.
Thinking about wetting.
What's up, friend?
When you get my fries, man? I'll show you this thing. I know none of I ever seen in your lives.
Wait, what?
What's a woman? You know what's a woman in your life? You know? Huh? No. I can see. Don't ask me the questions, man. I can tell you if I say a surprise. Shake your head hard. Hard on.
Why you have it tied on far?
I bet your whole head fall off.
You feel cute with that? No lie.
Like dumb, no G.
Look at that. You see? I always have to deal with this, no G. I never buy Lacoste again. Look at that. Always stepping on my glasses.
What the name is? Oh. Lacoste. Oh, the other. You too. Sit down here, brother. Sit down there. This right there. Right there. Sit down. Two of you, what your last name is? What your last name is?
Arundel.
Two of you Arundels.
One is not Arundel.
He's Ferrier.
You want Ferrier Ariel?
Ferrier?
When was the last time you come church?
Dancer.
When was the last day you come church? If you tell me, you can stand this bus. Last what?
Last month.
The day.
Last month?
Yeah, the last one.
Last month is September. September no?
Yes. Why? By myself.
Akil, how you are so early on Sunday mornings? We start 10:30. You reach in 12 o'clock.
Because I can just go to school on the weekend and be on board.
But how today you're not on a boat, Akil?
Sailing yesterday.
What?
I was sailing yesterday.
Come here, can't tell them no.
I told them no. Sometimes it's class just started.
Yeah, me want to hear your voice some more. I want to hear your voice to be honest. Hold on, my friend again. Yo. Yeah. Is that, I call you? Sorry. I had to call you?
You look nice.
Yeah, it was a mistake. My butt dial you. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. How?
Big fan. Lacoste.
How you look so?
I got a lot of today. Yeah. This Nike.
I don't want you to
Straight leg. When lips on you.
Oh,
obviously.
You wig like a whole person.
obviously, what happened?
The wig is covering your ears. Can you hear me now?
Oh, shoot. The man, better basketball court early Sunday morning, no? Hot sun. Can't come church. Sweaty.
Could be an AC unit, so. Fix a teeth. I don't know what picture I saw of you. You look like you. I can't look at that. Jesus Christ.
Ay. Even somebody wife. I don't couple like 4 yesterday. Charlie, one of them. They come with me. Me take a picture. Like, come on.
Getty, I was like.
Charlie, you came sit next to me for a picture. Yeah. Sure. The day Charlie meet Roddy Rich. I know she'll pass out. I see her panic attack. You should have a sweater.
I have a album, a tour coming up. I was like, yo, I wish I had lived in the States just for these classes. But you know, I want to like back these things in.
Charlie, you don't get post this.
I gotta report it.
Why would you report me? I don't even have like 50 subscribers. I don't have 50% subscribers. I want to report you.
I don't want you to make me.
YouTube, look at making YouTube.
You fake. The man.
Not yet.
The man said, you don't even know you're making YouTube. Oh, that's rough, man. That was a good one, though.
I think worse people though.
Look at
my class, he take my phone to make a call to subscribe to it. I was like, damn, bro. Something she birds.
What is your bird? Jesus Christ.
Good traffic.
But you hear me just now? And the front of your face. Yeah. And your chin?
Stop running, Eugene.
What is it, jam like a what? You cringe, you know? Yeah, you know that's traffic. You sound just like him. Yo. Why am I camera not focusing?
Yes, look at the whole.
I didn't want to take it off. I want to look once if I take it off.
That's great.
Put your hand down. What's wrong with you? Let's get on YouTube and get reported. They get put his hand up on the flipping cameras. I like that.
I think.
When I get rich and famous, I forget you. No, I forget you. Yeah, yes, I will put this day piece. Then I get like 10 views.
And then you can put
Shut up! I will hear him out.
Get it out and laugh like this.
Get it, jump up. Yeah.
Why are you going to do that?
No, Locks, hold on. I don't go to the water, I'm going to patience, man.
You gotta wait for me. Wait, you know what I'm going to do?
We're at the beach now. So, I hope they're ready for the surprise. I'm gonna get on the big surprise. Where we going? Give a little hike. I don't know if you can see the butterflies over the water by the top. Which one is you? Which one is you? Hey, where your name is? Yeah, okay, now remember when I said this one, then I got a surprise for them. Oh, like, when I say I got a surprise for them. Oh, by the way, we're at the beach. Look up the first beach. We get in the water, so take off how you do what I gotta do. Just follow me. You know? I can bring them here and I know they can enjoy this place. For sure, for sure. Okay, my shirt off now. I'm gonna do this thing. No, we get in the water. Just follow me. Follow me. Just follow me. I ain't gonna bring you to kill yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, landward. I'm Mr. Hilton. What? What? You know what? Who don't want to come, you don't have to come, to be honest. You coming? As long as you coming, we good. Okay, good. I like that. I like that. Okay. Now see how you say it? Nah, I ain't calling nobody no more. So, on this journey again, show how we this is the trail, show what we gotta go through, what we gotta do to reach the other side, and all that nice stuff. Other side, yes, other side. Yo, when I see this place, I'm going to be mind blown. Okay, just mark my words. You have to swim. You have to if you want to. Your camera to get wet? I'm not getting the water in my camera. That will break some off. Yeah. You know what I take it for free. All the way, guy, you perks, boy. So we gotta make a bridge with your body. Now, like you gotta give me a boost up.
I'm gonna be the bridge.
Okay, not that far. Don't worry. Okay, just follow me for free. It's very fun. I know none of you ever seen this place in your whole life.
Okay, guys.
This is the obstacle course. You know, it gotta be ugly now. That means like don't pass this way.
And be careful, someone's gonna be jumping around.
Exactly. It said don't. This means to do not go this way. But I didn't listen, and I still went. And when I went, I found something very much beautiful. Just be careful for the monkeys, okay? They're the pit rocks. A lot of rocks. Just joking.
What you got to go for your papa?
But you ain't gonna make it now, we don't go now. Yeah, we gonna have to pop.
Yo, you don't even know where you don't even know the trail. You can get lost.
Come lead up on the load. But you say you're going for your food, you just say that.
You never have to know what's
You can't live without your food.
Please, man, complaining. The man never go up on the projects. Running bare feet, bare back. If I want to turn back, better turn back now. Okay, I have a lot more to go. Okay. Looks like this is a crab.
If you do this every day, you don't struggle on your foot, baby.
Take it all his heat. I never felt rock so hot in my life. Just be careful though. You don't have to rush because you see us on the front. Now so walking like you know you gotta go. I like that. Come in Naruto, jump in and rock to rock. If you want cooler your foot down, just dip it in the water right here. Just dip. Just dip it like this. Dip. Big man, if you want to turn around, turn now. Because we got a lot more to go. Turn now. You have a lot more to turn. I only bring the guys for a reason. Because I have no time to wait for no damn girl. And I make me waste 20 minutes. And if you're watching this video, you may waste 20 minutes by a baby leap. Sharks me up. That I bring the guys for. You better be prepared to jump the jump of death, whatever. If I never watch Naruto or any anime, you're not gonna take this jump. You hear me? Because Only we Animanians know about these type of things, you know. Animanians. Animanians, that's what I said, stupid. You walk, me and I walk so far, you couldn't see nobody no more. Like this. Right now we can't see nobody. Like nobody can see us. I'm so sorry for moving the camera a lot. I can't keep my hands still. Walking on rocks. Stupid. Just,
How are you?
this is the jump of death.
Yeah.
You don't jump in the water, no? I'll show it to the whole camera, someone. Look. Get me.
No, I wasn't going to go in the water.
Let me show you how to go over.
I know how to go over.
Go over then. Go over, Nasio. Ali. See, you like go over. See, we could do that. I say, Anna, right? I come back up here like, like 50 times. Anna, put your hand look. Just look around and I just do. This you can't do, Anna. It's Anna. It's like, find something to put your foot. And I ask your foot here. And I like this. No, like this. Whoa! Take a leap. I gotta take a little leap. A natural nail. I got like let's get a water. I might even use that as something, to be honest. I don't know. Prepare for the jump of death. Prepare yourself for the jump, the leap of death. If you don't make it, you can kill yourself. Or you continue walking. You spit all our energy.
Why? Where's the jump up there?
Look at right here.
That much. I said it was a big thing.
Sorry, Nasha, sorry. Go on. You can't stay right here because we need to walk. We need to blast it. Walk. Ah, you make it. I said my face like concentration is real. Come. Walk. I gotta get it. Everybody taking a leap of death. The leap of death. Jump on top of that little piece right there.
That little cliff and jump on that.
Let me see if you can do it.
You do it. You good.
It's not far. Don't walk in the water. Wait. What would you?
Arch a little bit and then just go across.
To go back over now is the thing. Just, exactly. Just come. I bring it to you somewhere you never see before. A surprise now. This is my gift to you. May I turn around for real? Oh. Yeah. Remember, don't quit. Oh yeah, I know the yourself. Be a feet, be a back.
I jump that way.
Yo, just put your hand on top of something there, like, and lean and jump. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Just, yeah, dog. See, it's small, but like, it look scary when you're on the other side. Yeah. Man, I no fun. I can't tell McNabb about how man I almost lose your life. Check your face. Watch the camera. To the leap of death. Don't like that.
No.
Cause we're over there, right? You can have a. Wait, I think we're here now.
I really just want to air the mouth and just air the mouth.
Oh no, it's on the other side. I can see this. Is here? Are you seeing it, right? Wait, I come, just yeah. D you from we? Man, let me go. Show them the Indian thing.
No, let me roll.
Take the jump, the leap of faith.
I'm gonna jump in the water with you, my phone in my pocket.
Your phone in your pocket? Just put it right there. Put your phone right there. Just. Oh, I never seen nobody put it down. Just. Yo, just jump. Don't go to water, G. Don't go to water. Put one foot. Leave your right foot there, right? Yeah. Hold on to that and stretch your left foot. Yeah. That's my Indian friend. Let me go. Over there, you have no church reach there. This is the church reach there. Unless you go on a boat. If you don't go on a boat, you can reach there. It's right here. It's here. Cause I watch it. I jump in the water somewhere. Can't be no further.
Waiting on you now.
I look nervous now. I feel like watching a rock right now.
Ready?
That's sand.
You jump. Do deep.
I tell you, man, it's deep.
Your back was on the surface.
Someone go through.
Really get it, we come up here.
Deep, they jump over here.
Oh, they are shallow.
Yeah. Show me a jump.
You have like a drop, yo.
What's that here?
Come to me just now.
But I'm a chain dog.
Them gone himself, boy.
Might have to take this out. If I jump in, I have to take this out.
Take one.
You're not muff.
No, it's not a must, man.
If they get sand in it.
Wash it off.
Let's dry it.
That way, I jump in, because I come in beach, and I get swim.
Watch this, a belly flap.
Where you dive in? Don't dive slow. Dive slow.
Yo, it's deep for real, law.
Yeah?
You ready?
Yeah.
Deep, I can't
touch the floor.
I can't take the floor.
You ready?
Watch it.
Brother, you can swim, right?
It's only now when I editing, I seeing how they dive in. Brother, why your legs bent so? Still my leg. What the crap? Oh shoot! Wait, lady, why you dive so far, dog? What's going on? Yo, I honestly don't understand. I honestly believe Jonathan have the best dive. This man dive with his legs open like a scissors. What? Again. It's like a walk. Come over there, walk. Over there, walk. Walk. So, yeah, do you want to say? No. Don't put on the camera.
Where we going?
Yeah. It's like walking on there.
And are you acting on that?
No. You want to jump in? You want to jump in and you walk up on the side? Come on, little bit.
You can't stay.
Well, I know how to swim in one hand, so I can swim. Freaking, no, go away, pushing me. Ah! I didn't get the. You said my here to me you were jumping. It's nice, right? Oh, you like it, right? I know. I tell her it's a surprise half for you. No. Who got my glasses? Gets up on a rock. This is the place I want to bring on. I need a thumbnail. All here had rocks when I came here also.
No, they just see us walking. I know they're wondering where we are.
Where they gone? We might come.
They see us, they're going to see us walking on the rock side.
Yep. We might come back later without the camera, so all of us could plunge.
That's right.
Then it's all about act surprise. I don't know. We'll do something.
Whoa. Let me go face the water.
What?
Like going on the water.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go for it. Yeah, I can see.
This is my name is a big fish right here.
Big fish.
Yo, Governor Jonathan, everybody like. Hey.
Like from the grill.
Why everybody moving? Nobody stay one spot. Jonathan, oh.
You see me?
Good. I got it.
You got pairs for these features.
Features, right? I here for thumbnails. That's what he there for.
The man just used us for his video?
Yeah, what the crap are here for? Style and fashion. When I get rich and famous, I can be
So something nice now.
basically what I want to do. I might just vlog the rest. I want to go over now? Yeah, you can go over now. Hello! Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. It's night now. I didn't vlog the rest because I don't know where this come from. I didn't have this earlier. Yeah, just reached home. Is It's currently 7:38 in the night. I'm going to bed, watch some anime. Catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Help me grow. We can grow together. Remember, it's Gerido.